Welcome to a world where precision meets passion, where simple ingredients transform into delectable.
Step inside the heart of innovation, where every ingredient's journey begins, crafting the perfect biscuit experience.
From raw materials to finished product, every stage is orchestrated with meticulous care, ensuring unparalleled quality and taste.
Only the finest, ethically sourced ingredients make the cut, meticulously tracked from farm to factory floor, guaranteeing purity.
Each sack of premium flour, carefully selected and digitally logged, embarks on its transformative journey, a promise of perfection. From the purest sugar to the finest wheat, every raw material is carefully transported, ready for its delicious transformation.
Even the smallest details matter. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring only
Every gram of butter, every drop of vanilla, meticulously measured, ensuring the perfect balance of flavors in every single biscuit.
The magic begins as premium dry ingredients unite in our state-of-the-art mixers, a symphony of textures and aromas.
The finest melted butter, a golden cascade, now joins the mix, binding flavors, enriching every future bite.
Witness the transformation. Powerful mixers knead the dough to perfection, a testament to industrial artistry and engineering.
Perfectly kneaded, exquisitely smooth, the dough achieves its ideal texture, ready to become the foundation of our delicious biscuits.
From the mixer, the perfect dough emerges, beginning its journey on the conveyor, a seamless flow towards its destiny.
The dough now enters the sheeting line, where powerful rollers gently transform it into a perfectly uniform, exquisite sheet. A canvas of perfect dough, smooth and unblemished, glides forward, ready for the intricate dance of the cutters.
With rhythmic precision, automated cutters descend, shaping each biscuit to perfection, a testament to engineering mastery.
Each unbaked biscuit, a miniature masterpiece, now awaits its fiery transformation, holding the promise of golden deliciousness.
Hundreds of perfect biscuits, a mesmerizing procession, glide towards the oven's embrace, each destined for golden perfection.
Into the colossal oven they go, embarking on their fiery metamorphosis, where heat and time craft their signature crunch. Within the oven's embrace, a symphony of heat transforms the dough, revealing golden hues and an irresistible aroma.
Golden perfection emerges. Freshly baked, each biscuit now begins its cooling journey, a symphony of crispness awaiting.
Behold the golden masterpiece. Each biscuit, perfectly baked, boasts a crisp texture and Into the cooling tunnel they glide, where controlled air currents perfect their crispness, ensuring an exquisite bite every time.
Emerging perfectly cooled, each biscuit is now ready for meticulous inspection, ensuring every piece meets our exacting standards.
A delicate dusting of sugar, a final touch of sweetness, enhances each biscuit, preparing it for its exquisite packaging.
Robotic precision arranges each biscuit into perfect rows, a testament to efficiency and the seamless art of packaging.
Gently nestled into custom-designed trays, each biscuit finds its perfect place, ensuring pristine presentation and protection.
A precise, protective seal envelops each tray, locking in freshness, ensuring every biscuit reaches you in perfect condition.
Sealed for freshness, each tray now glides towards the branding station, ready to proudly bear its mark of distinction. With pinpoint precision, our iconic brand logo is imprinted, a symbol of quality and a promise of unparalleled taste.
Every branded tray undergoes rigorous inspection, a final check by discerning eyes, ensuring every detail meets our high standards.
Flawless and branded, each tray embarks on its final journey, destined for elegant boxing, ready for its grand reveal.
The automated boxing machine springs to life, precisely folding and sealing each premium box, ready for its precious cargo. With exquisite care, each sealed tray is gently placed into its premium box, completing the journey from dough to delight.
With a final, confident approval, our exquisite biscuits are deemed perfect, ready to leave the factory, destined for your enjoyment.
Through our vast, organized warehouse, perfectly stacked pallets of biscuits journey, ready for global distribution.
Our branded trucks depart, carrying the promise of deliciousness, ready to deliver our exquisite biscuits to homes worldwide.
Across scenic highways, our biscuits travel, connecting our passion for quality with eager consumers, near and far.
Journey culminates in this moment. A simple reach, a perfect choice, bringing our delicious biscuits into your home.
Finally home, our biscuits bring warmth and joy, a perfect companion for cherished moments and delightful indulgence. The perfect dunk, a moment of pure bliss. Our biscuits, designed to complement your favorite beverage, elevate every sip.
From the youngest to the wisest, our biscuits bring smiles. A timeless treat uniting generations in pure delight.
I'm so glad we finally got everyone together. And these biscuits, oh my goodness.
To the best host and the best food. Cheers, everyone.
Our journey begins in nature's embrace, where golden wheat fields whisper promises of purity and wholesome goodness.
With the wisdom of generations, our farmers nurture the land, ensuring only the finest wheat graces our delicious recipes. From sun-drenched fields, modern combines gather nature's bounty, harvesting the golden wheat that becomes our biscuit's soul.
Pure golden grains, freshly harvested, fill our pristine silos, awaiting their transformation into delicious biscuit flour. Behold the heart of our biscuits. Exquisitely milled, premium wheat flour, soft and pure, ready for its delicious destiny. In shimmering vats, pure liquid sugar is meticulously prepared, a sweet foundation for the delightful flavors to come.
Pure, golden butter, churned to creamy perfection, forms the rich heart of our biscuits, a symphony of flavor.
Automated precision dispenses each ingredient, a synchronized ballot of raw materials, destined for our signature biscuit dough.
Watch as the dough transforms, gluten strands developing, creating the perfect texture for our incredibly delicious biscuits. A robotic arm delicately samples the dough, ensuring every batch meets our stringent quality standards, a promise of consistency.
The perfectly mixed dough gracefully transfers, beginning its journey on the conveyor belt, destined for precise shaping and cutting. Through the first set of rollers, the dough is gently compressed, beginning its precise transformation into a uniform, delicate sheet. After the initial roll, the dough surface achieves exquisite smoothness, a canvas of perfection, ready for further refinement. Through a second, finer set of rollers, the dough reaches its precise, perfect thickness, a testament to meticulous engineering.
A flawlessly uniform dough sheet glides forward, a perfect canvas ready for the precise, intricate artistry of our biscuit cutters. With surgical precision, intricate cutters descend, imprinting each biscuit with our signature design, a true mark of craftsmanship. The excess dough is gracefully lifted, leaving behind perfectly sculpted biscuits, ready for their journey to golden perfection. With utmost care, each unbaked biscuit is transferred to its baking tray, perfectly aligned, ready for the oven's transformative heat. Rows of perfectly spaced biscuits enter the preheating zone, gently preparing for their golden transformation within the oven's heart.
Within the heart of the oven, a fiery alchemy transforms our biscuits, expanding, browning, reaching their peak of perfection.
Biscuit allowed. X. A precise infrared check confirms optimal core temperature, ensuring every biscuit.
As they glide along the cooling conveyor, our perfectly baked biscuits gently release steam, enhancing their exquisite crispness.
Automated optical scanners meticulously inspect every biscuit, ensuring flawless shape, color, and integrity, a commitment to perfection.
With unwavering precision, any imperfect biscuit is gently removed, ensuring only the finest reach our esteemed customers.
Delicate nozzles apply a fine, gourmet coating, enhancing each biscuit with an extra layer of exquisite flavor and appeal.
Behold the exquisite finish. A smooth, glossy coating, a testament to indulgence, promising a truly decadent experience.
Through our specialized cooling tunnel, the exquisite coating sets perfectly, ensuring a stable, beautiful finish for every biscuit.
Robotic arms gracefully place each exquisite biscuit into elegant packaging trays, a dance of precision and care.
A final, meticulous visual inspection ensures every packaged tray meets our exacting standards, a promise of perfection.
Each packaged tray passes through advanced metal detection, ensuring absolute safety and purity for every delicious biscuit.
Our perfectly sealed, elegantly branded boxes glide along, proudly showcasing their exquisite design, ready for their journey.
Robotic precision stacks each box onto pallets, creating perfectly organized towers, ready for efficient, high-volume shipment. Securely wrapped and branded, each pallet stands ready for dispatch, a symbol of our global reach and commitment to quality.
A fleet of branded trucks stands ready, a symbol of our extensive network, poised to deliver deliciousness across the globe.
Our exquisite retail displays invite you, showcasing the beauty and promise of every premium biscuit box within.
A reflection of unparalleled quality, our premium pricing ensures you receive nothing less than the very best.
A perfect pairing, our golden biscuits alongside your favorite brew, creating moments of serene, comforting indulgence.
A classic pairing, revisited. The wholesome goodness of milk, perfectly complementing the crisp delight of our biscuits.
Discover our exquisite range, a luxurious platter of diverse biscuit creations, each a testament to artistry and unparalleled taste.
Behold the perfect interior, delicate, airy, and crisp, a testament to our baking mastery and the ultimate biscuit experience.
Our premium gift boxes, adorned with luxurious ribbons, are the epitome of refined gifting, a gesture of exquisite taste.
Happy holidays! Oh wow, these look incredible. Thank you so much.
Our versatile biscuits adorn elegant dessert tables, a gourmet delight, perfect for elevating any.
Behold the masterpiece, a stunning biscuit tower, adorned with fresh berries and edible flowers.
Even as the day ends, our dedication continues. The factory rests, ready to craft more moments of delicious perfection.
Under the quiet night sky, our factory stands, a beacon of innovation.
Our illuminated logo, a symbol of trust and unwavering quality, shines bright, a promise of deliciousness for tomorrow.
The ultimate indulgence, a single, perfect biscuit, masterpiece of flavor and texture, awaiting your discerning palate.
As a new day dawns, our commitment to crafting unparalleled biscuits endures, a legacy